Okay, so we're making pizza dough. Everybody asked, so here it is. We're going to start with, let's start with warm water. So tepid water. Room temperature, a little bit warmer than room temperature would be ideal. 1 tablespoon of yeast for one large pizza in your oven. So we're gonna make a double pizza dough. Because we're making for lots of people today. So we're gonna double that. That's 2 tablespoons of instant dry yeast. Want to take a look at that? This is kind of industrial stuff, but the packages that you buy, the small envelopes that they come in, those are a tablespoon each. So 2 cups. Plus another 200 ml or so. Two cups plus 200 ml will be enough water for 5 cups of flour. So obviously you can do the math and figure out you need half of that. Just do the math accordingly, divide everything by the same number, you'll be fine. Sift the flour in, it makes things a little easier. So one of these is a common sifter that you would find anywhere in most people's kitchen. This is 2.5 cups of flour. 2.5. And this makes 5. We'll probably turn off the water at some point. So you don't need to do this with a stand mixer. You don't need to do this with any appliance. This works real well. It's called a Danish whisk. You can get that anywhere. If you need to know where to get it, just get in contact with me and we'll, or maybe we'll post it on the tutorial, but whatever. We can get this for you. It's cheap. It costs about $8. Show you how easy it is. Don't forget to add some salt. Don't add the salt before you add the flour, because the salt may deactivate the yeast. So don't add the salt until you have some flour in there and the yeast is already activated, which it already is. You can see it bubble up. So here it is, like some minor miracle of cooking is this Danish whisk. So this is gonna take something like maybe 30 turns and we'll have pizza dough. It's this simple. So that was 30, and pretty much we have pizza. So this is actually a bigger thing, so a bigger quantity than normal, so we have to play with it a little bit more. So you can turn the dough from the bottom up. Some handy tips. I'll use some oil, olive oil, vegetable oil is fine. Just spray the top of the pizza dough just to coat it. And this way you can coat your bowl so that it'll release better when it's time for it to actually turn into an actual pizza instead of just dough. It releases better. You'll feel it releasing better from the Danish whisk. So there you have it. We have pizza dough. Take a damp rag. And cover. And if you need to do this fast, just leave it out on the counter for 45 minutes or so, punch it down again, and it'll rise again, take another 30 minutes to rise again, and it's ready to go. I like to cool rise it, so I actually put this in the fridge. If there's room. And that'll be ready in a couple hours, 2-3 hours, it'll be risen, ready to punch down and to rise again, and you're ready to make pizza.